Hi, I'm Noonies. Thanks for watching Adventures with Noonies. Today we are at Possum Creek MetroPark by Dayton, Ohio. And we're going to do, from what I've heard, a fairly easy trail called Possum Creek Orange Trail. It's 4.1 miles supposedly and 170 feet elevation gain, so that should be pretty easy. We'll just get some trail miles and see some nature. I love this. Apparently there's campsites throughout. That's what it looks like. I smell wood burning fires everywhere. This is so cool. Okay, so we just came from there, but we're going to look at this reservable campsite here. Just because curious minds have to know. I want to go camping here. Okay. Standard. Give a nice view. Some privacy back there. I'm thinking you can put your wood here. Oh, there's the lake. I'm sure we'll be passing that, but let's stay on the trail. We're coming up to where the trail splits. The orange trail up here goes to the left. Just want to show you the lake. One reason I chose this trail, I wasn't sure if I was going to do a trail today, which I'm not sure this is. So far it's just like dirt and around the lake. Not dirt, grass, I'm sorry. But I'm trying to increase miles slowly by doing daily walks. I've been doing almost 4 to 5 miles a day, and just trying to slowly increase it and then bring up the elevation. After work, that's going to be hard to really increase much more, but we'll see. La 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 la. This is the trail so far. We're surrounded by trees in the distance. But basically, I think somebody just comes through here with a lawnmower and made the trail. We'll see if it goes in the woods. If you like sun, this trail's for you because it's beating down. Some pretty flowers for maple bee and pup. There's a birdhouse. Woohoo! The positive is I'm getting trail miles in and I'm in nature. So no complaints. We're finally in the woods. It's still a grass trail. Ooh. Maybe it's turning into a real trail now. Yes. Woohoo! So now I'm a happy camper. Haven't seen any more of the campsites. So where I did the intro, that was a campsite right next to the parking lot, and it looked like there may be a campsite next to it. There were a lot of people there, though. It looked like a party. It could have just been a shelter. But that's one thing I like about this park, is that the campsites are between the parking lot and the lake. I think this is the horse trail. I read in the reviews that part of the trail is shared with horses. So, just to do this, to do it. Ooh, that's not steady. Okay, people, if you walk on that, the whole board, the second board went up when I stepped on it. So be careful. From the grass back to the dirt. Oh, and it feels like it's 10-15 degrees cooler. Awesome. And there's the sun again. Well, this is kind of cool. It looks like there might be something cool up here. There is a creek. It's pretty still right now. It's flowing a little right there over the rocks. When you start on the trail, don't get discouraged. There are some cute things to see. Oh, how cool! I saw a tree even more cool than this when I did a hike-bike trail after work one day. I tried to do various ones. Here. There we go. We'll see if we can see anything. Somebody just texted me saying something's blowing in. Period. I know it's supposed to rain. And the leaves are starting to turn up. And I'm about halfway done, so I should probably pick up the pace, but I saw this and had to go off trail. I'll let you take a screenshot of that and enlarge it. And I need to get my butt moving. Don't know which way to go here. Let's see. Oh, it looks like this is just another off the trail. It says splish splash. I was taking a bath. In Possum Creek, ooh, now I want to go down there, but I chose an easy, I'm sure that's not this trail. I chose an easy one so I can work fast and steady. Like I did almost 12 miles 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I was sore for a couple of days. And I don't want to be crying on my way home from the Mammoth March. So we got to do this right. Need to slow down. A couple of days hiking a week or one big trail on the weekend is not going to work for me, I don't believe. And today, I think love my trail runners, love my ultras, but today I'm wearing Merles and think I'm going to wear those on the trail. They are more durable. The only time I fall in on the trail, I was wearing the trail runners. Of course, I couldn't even climb up the one hill that I slid down because it was so muddy. But also, I'll probably need a new pair before the hike. And quite frankly, a new pair of Ultras right now is not in my budget since I just moved. So these Merles have not been worn a whole lot. So I'm thinking they'll definitely last me to and through the Mammoth March with a little more stability, a little more sturdiness. I mean, I know I can do the 20 miles. I just don't want to hurt myself. And that's what I'm looking at. Wasn't going to film this, but people who know me know I will dance anywhere, anytime, any place. So that's so cool. Transform your hiking boots to dancing shoes. Just take them off or dance in them. Okay, now we're going to pick up the pace. What are all those letters for on the trees? I wonder if they're going to tear them down or if it's for some function. There's also pink flags on the trail. We're just now heading back into the open, and the wind has picked up since we were here. The sky looks different, and if you see the leaves, they're up like it's going to rain. So I need to book it. Decided no more pictures. There's a road right out there, and we're crossing this cool little bridge. And I'm wondering if there's a faster way to my car because I think it's about to pour down now. I'm going to get on my weather app and see. There's a road out here. I think I'm going to get on it and turn on maps because it doesn't look good. I've already done more than 4 miles, and according to the map, it says I'm about halfway done. So let's see if I can find my car. Well, this sucks. There's a little structure up there, which I kept walking towards in that meadow. I walked down that road, and actually I thought I filmed it all, but I didn't. But from the road, it said 0.2 of a mile straight ahead because I had Apple Maps on. But then I looked to my right and it said Orange Trail. So don't know what I did. This looks like it's faster than walking on the road, and it's easier on the feet. So we're doing this. We're going this way. And it looks like we're going to pass that campsite we stopped at the beginning. So I'm so excited. And I see people up there fishing still. It was raining a bit. So there's the road it told me to take. Yes, I was hiking with all trails on and Apple Maps. And I have my Garmin Mini with me. So this is exciting. I was getting scared because it said it. Let's see, what time is it? In about 5 minutes, 100% chance of rain. So we should be in the car by then. Woohoo! I do have to look at this lake again. So I'll catch up with you for the recap. Hi, I finished the loop trail. Came out where I was supposed to, found my car. Thought I found it before and it was the wrong parking lot. So it's all good. Just a little sprinkle, was not rained on. Awesome sauce, no complaints at all. The trail. I liked it. I haven't done many easy trails, and I don't want to say it was boring because a lot of people will not find it boring, but for me, I found it kind of blah. There were neat things to see, yes. Do want to bring the kids to see the working farm. Purposely did not go there because I know me, and if I would have taken that trail, I would have filmed it, and I want to save that. Good thing about the trail, easy. It was pretty, lots of history. I would suggest if you're a history buff or you can't do a lot of hills, this is a perfect trail for you. And there's smaller trails too, so this park is cool. I haven't found a MetroPark I have not liked, and I like this park. Thinking about going camping here sometime. So, not bad thing. The thing I liked least about it is for my personality, it was a little blah. But for what I'm doing, and that's training, it's perfect. I feel a little pull. I've been feeling here. I've lost 9.5 pounds. I said I wanted to lose 20 by the Mammoth March. I have an 8-pound bowling ball. That's 2.5 of my bowling balls I won't be carrying on that walk. So that's cool. I've lost 2 inches of my hips. I've lost other places. I just know the hips. So inches, yes, I think are more important than pounds. But when you're talking about hiking, I want to get rid of the pounds too. So I guess that's where we're standing now. Just working slowly, and we'll get there. And I'll take you guys along with me. So I'm gonna take off, may get something to eat, may go home. So have a good night or good day. Thanks for watching.